I have for you 50 gifts that are perfect for the content creator in your life. And in this list, I'm going from free items all the way to the more expensive items. And it's for all types of content creators, because while some people may say it's the thought that counts, I also think that you need to put a little bit more effort, that you've listened to them and actually try and get something that they like. My name is Tassiani, I'm one half of Content Creator Pod, and let's get to it. So the first item is DIY, but you don't need to be an arts and craft expert. All you need are little pieces of paper or maybe a scrapbook, and you just need to write a list of video or photo shoot ideas for your content creator. Make sure that it's relevant to them, related to the topic or their niche, and I'm sure they'll really appreciate the thought, but also the time that you save them from planning. The next one is a classic. DIY your own book of vouchers. Make sure that you are willing to follow through with whatever you put, and that can be being a photographer for an hour or for a photo shoot session, or being the videographer or helping them edit, or being an extra in one of the videos. Just depends whatever they like to post. Number 3, which is a book. Learning is always so important for content creators and anyone really. I recommend this book, Contagious and Why Things Catch On. It's going to teach them all about marketing and what goes viral. Number 4 is a cute notebook. I think we all need more notebooks to write ideas on. Maybe add a pen if you're feeling generous. Number 5 is a phone case that sticks to walls, and that is so handy if they're filming, especially for things like vlogs or TikTok. You can literally stick it anywhere and then film yourself. So much quicker than setting up a tripod. Number 6 is a professional camera cleaning kit, and this works as well for cleaning the camera on your phone. Help them make sure that their lens are clean, that they can shoot videos and photos in the best quality, and just make sure that everything lasts longer. Number 7 is an electronics and cables portable organizer, and so this is for all the travel content creators and vloggers. Help them keep organized, and they can store all the earphones, cables, SD cards, hard drives. Number 8 is a computer mouse, so you can either go for ergonomic or just go for a really cute one, depending on what their aesthetic is. They're gonna spend hours editing, might as well make it cute. Number 9 is a lapel microphone. This works for both camera and phone use, and helps you capture quality audio even if you're far away from the camera. Number 10 is a mini photo studio box. This is perfect for product videos and photography, so that they can get a professional studio setup inside their own home, and it's not that expensive. Obviously, this is for smaller products. I just want to take a quick break here to say that if you are enjoying this list, but there's just way too many items, I do have in the description below the link to our webpage, which lists everything and has the Amazon links to everything as well. And you can always save it for later, because I'm sure you'll celebrate many more holidays and birthdays with your content creator friend, so you always have a list to refer back to. Number 11 is a social media planner. There are so many out there in the market. I have this one as an example. It includes ideas to post, prompts for social media, tips, and just an area where they can plan and organize for everything that they need. Then we have a ring light, which is an essential if they don't have already. I found this one, which is a clip-on for your phone, so it's super cute and portable. Number 13 is a mug, and that's for all your coffee drinkers, hot chocolate lovers, anyone that wants to keep warm and awake while they're editing. Number 14 is a letter light box, and this is such a cute decoration, especially to put in the back of videos. Number 15 is a flat lay backdrop set. Again, this is especially useful for product photography, for UGC, so that they can get quality videos and images in a way that's really portable. They can set up anywhere. Then we have number 16, which is a versatile backdrop. Now, this is a much bigger one. This one is perfect for photo shoots or for green screens, and you can also pick which color backdrop you'd like to get for them. Number 17 is tickets to a selfie studio. Those places are so fun, even if you're not a content creator, but it's a great place to film a lot of content, take a lot of photos with lots of different backdrops that they probably wouldn't have access to. Number 18 is a remote control for the camera. This is perfect if they take photos by themselves. They can easily just control the camera with a click of a button while being far away. Number 19 is an SD card, because everyone needs more memory. 20 is a fun camera lens, and there's plenty out there to get really creative shoots. This one is a kaleidoscope filter lens, and it makes for some really cool artsy content. 21, pretty similar, but this is a cell phone camera lens kit, and I found this 11-in-1 kit which includes a telephoto lens, wide angle lens, fisheye lens, anything that you can think of that will help them turn their phone into camera quality photos and get to be really creative with their phone. 22 is a camera bag so that they can take all the equipment with them for vloggers or anyone who likes to travel. 23 is a Gorilla Pod, and it's designed for secure hold anywhere and at any angle. It's great for vloggers, travelers, and adventurers. 24 is an adjustable laptop stand, and you're helping them be ergonomic while they're editing. 25 is a custom neon sign. This is great for YouTubers and Twitch streamers. Imagine having your own custom neon sign in the background. 26 is a tracking tripod, which is perfect for TikToks and for dances. The tripod follows you as you move. 27 is a ring light. So I've already mentioned a clip-on ring light, but this is your standard ring light, much more powerful, perfect to use at home, perfect for beauty bloggers. 28 is this USB microphone. It's perfect for podcasting, streaming games, and just any sit-down YouTube videos. 29 is an extra battery pack. I don't think I need to explain this one. We all know batteries never last long enough. 30, portable phone charger. Perfect if they're using their phone to take photos, to take videos, because like I said before, batteries and charge never last long enough. 31 is this handy tripod. This one is super sturdy and professional quality, and it works both for the phone and camera, so if you're not sure what they use, this is perfect. 32 is a hard drive or an SSD so that they can store all their content and never lose it. 33 is a softbox lighting kit. This is if they need professional studio quality lighting. It's especially useful if they're filming from further away where a ring light just won't do the work, or if they're filming at night and just need more powerful light. 34 is a gimbal. Now if you haven't seen these are so cool. They make sure that your footage is steady. 35 is a colorful keyboard, because content creators spend so long using the computer editing content. So again, we just want to make it as aesthetic as possible. 36 is a subscription for royalty-free music. Epidemic Sound have a yearly subscription that you can gift to someone. 37 is a Canva Pro subscription, especially if you know that they do use Canva. Give them access to templates, assets, and tools. 38 is a digital frame so that they can display in their home all the content that they've created. 39 is a GoPro or a GoPro dupe, whichever you have the budget for. And this is perfect for creators on the go or for adventure vloggers. 40 is a TubeBuddy subscription, which is perfect for your favorite YouTuber. 41 is a masterclass yearly subscription. This is for creators who love to learn. There's hundreds of video lessons on photography, acting, filmmaking, and much more. 42 is a professional microphone for their camera. This is for videographers who want ultra clean, low noise audio. 43 is a subscriber counter. How cool is this? I found this one on Etsy, and basically connects to Wi-Fi and shows you in real time your subscriber count so they can see it going up. 44 is a website hosting and domain, and it's perfect if they want to have a show reel, also to showcase all the work, to maybe if they're applying to work with brands or for collaboration, or if they want to turn content creation into their job. If you're feeling even more generous, just go ahead and make the whole website for them. Don't just give them domain and the URL. 45 is noise cancelling headphones. Again, they're probably doing a lot of editing, just want to make sure that they're comfortable. 46, again, for all that editing time, here is an ergonomic chair to make sure that you protect their back. 47 is a stock photo subscription, so this is perfect for both video and photo creators, and it gives them access to high quality photos and videos. New assets are added daily, and again, you don't want them to get any copyright strikes, so this is perfect for them. 48 is a mini drone. Drones just give amazing and the coolest videography out there. 49 is a 360 action camera. This is perfect for anyone filming outdoors, especially action content. It literally captures 360 and then deletes the pole that was holding it, so you don't actually have to pick the angles while you're filming. It films everything and you decide later. 50, a subscription to the Creative Cloud for all the software needs. Give them access to industry standard software. And 51, because I was feeling generous and we're giving you a bonus, and it is a camera, of course, especially if they've been doing content content on the phone and they're ready to move up. Sony also has some really cool cameras for vloggers. And there you go, that is 50 plus gift ideas for your favorite content creator. As I mentioned before, that is a lot. So if there's anything that did interest you, go to the description. I'll have a link there to the list. You'll be able to find everything that was in this video in that list with the Amazon links to it as well if you want to access anything specifically. And let me know what you would like to see next.